Hello student, myself Minal Pawar. Today we are going to learn subject physics, 8 number topic electrostatics. Last lecture we learned the electric potential energy due to the different systems of charges. There are two systems of the charges. That equation is U is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 upon R12. This is the expression for electric potential energy of two system of the charges. There are two system of the charges means Q1 and Q2 system of the charges. And one more point we have learned that electric potential energy of the n system of the charges. There are same equation, only there we can write U is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon summation here I here Qj upon Ri into J. This is the electric potential energy of the n system of the charges. Today we are going to learn that potential energy of single charge in an electric field. When single charge by applying the electric field. Now there is potential energy of single charge applying electric field. Here is if V into R. Then VR is the electric potential. VR is electric potential. Their last lecture that we already have learned what is mean by electric potential. Now electric potential at any point P, if there are this point P, that is unit positive charge, here is Q1, that here is distance is R from here, like this. There are Q1 is the unit positive, Q, not Q1, Q is the unit positive charge which having the position vector R, Now electric potential energy is the one type of the work done. Electric potential energy is one type of the work is done by that charge bringing from the infinity to that location, to bringing from the unit positive charge from infinity to point A. This Q produce the Q0 unit positive charge. If this Q0 unit positive charge at infinity distance to bringing this unit positive charge from infinity to point A, where work is done. There is one type of the work. The work is done to bringing unit charge from infinity to point P. There is potential, there is electric potential. Electric work done means one type of the electric potential is done. Now this work is done in the form of electric potential energy. Electric potential energy in the form of Q charges having the potential VR, that is electric potential energy of single charge is equal to Q V into R. Q means charge. The charge bringing from infinity to at point P, and this electric potential VR. The product of these two, that is known as electric potential energy, QV into R. That is the electric potential energy. Electric potential energy is the one type of the work done from bringing the unit positive charge infinity to point P. Now one more next article is electric potential energy. The electric potential energy of system of two charges. Electric potential energy of system of two charges. The system of two charges which applying in external field, in electric field. We have to applying electric field. Now we have to find the potential energy, the system of the two charges. There are two charges, Q1 and Q2. These two charges, the Q1 and Q2, these two charges, where the charges Q1 and charges Q2. Here charges Q1 and charges Q2 here is last diagram that we have learned how to find the electric potential energy system of the two charges, but here applying electric field. Now Q1 and Q2 are the 2 points located at the distance R1 and R2 from the origin. Distance R1 and the R2 from the origins there. Now first of all V1 Q1, the Q1 that we have to bringing this Q1 charges from infinity to at point Q. Bringing the Q1 charges here. First of all, we have to take the Q1 charges, bringing from infinity to R1 location. Infinity to R1 location. That potential energy we have to say potential energy is equal to Q1 V1 R. Q1 V1. Q1 V R1, not V1. There is one only. Electric potential is denoted later V. Last equation, same as last equation. Here we have to calculate the electric potential energy for Q1 charges. The Q1 charges being bringing from, here is infinite distance, infinity to here R1. That is potential energy Q1 V R1. Same as last equation. Now here the Q2 charge, to bring the Q2 charge from infinity by applying external field, the external field not applying against the electric charge, this field produced against the Q1 also. The work done. The work done not only for Q1 but also there Q2 also. Now this work is done. The work done on first of all, we have to take Q2 charge, bringing from infinity to present point at Q1. Now we have to take the Q2, bringing from infinity to here Q2. There work is done against the Q2 and total work is done on Q2 against Q1 also. Work done on Q2 against electric field. By applying electric field, there is work is done here. Two of the work done. The work done bringing the charges from infinity to here. The work done on Q2 against electric field here. Q2 V R2. At present location Q2 V R2. Here same. The work done. Here work also done. Q2 against the electric field. Q2 bringing from infinity to this location. That point is. This equation is Q2V R2 and the work done on Q2 against Q1 also. Against Q1. The last equation, the last lecture we have seen the equation of electric potential energy. Same as if there are two charges Q1, Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon. Here is R12. R12 is the distance between R1 and R2. The distance between these two charges Q1 and Q2 is R12 here. The distance between the two charges Q1 and Q2, that is R12. This equation second. The combinedly this equation we can write. The combinedly this equation we can write by using the principle of superposition. By using the superposition principle, adding these two terms, by using the principle of superposition principle, the work done bringing Q2 to Q1, the work done bringing Q2 to R2, the total we can write the work done bringing Q2 to R2. Combined we can write Q2 V R2 plus Q1 Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon R12. Once again see that, let I will revise here. When Q1 charges bringing from infinity to R1, this potential energy Q1 and this electric potential is VR1. Similarly, bringing the Q2 charge from infinity to against the electric field, that is same as equation. There is one more that against the Q2 also Q1. So this equation we can write. Combined this equation we can write Q2V R2 plus Q1 Q2 4 pi epsilon R1 2. Equation second. Now we have to calculate potential energy. What that is the one types of the potential energy. We have to calculate the potential energy of system of the two charges. The last equation we obtain here, potential energy of system of two charges. There are two charges Q1 and the Q2. This combined equation 1 and 2 we can write by equation 1 and equation 2 we can write Q1 V R1 plus Q2 V R2 plus Q1 Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon R1 2. Equation 3. Combinedly we can write equation. This is the potential energy system of the charges. Combining this equation 1 and 2. These two charges Q1 V R1 plus Q2 V R2 plus Q1 Q2 4 pi epsilon R1 2. This equation shows that potential energy of system of the two charges when applying electric field. The next article is the potential energy of dipole. The potential energy of dipole in an electric field. Potential energy of dipole in an electric field. The potential energy of dipole in an electric field. In an electric field. Now here, let me draw diagram here. Here the two charges plus Q, QE minus Q, QE, here minus QE, here theta angle made by electric dipole P, and distance between the two electric charges 2L, separated by distance 2L. Now we have to calculate. Today we are going to learn potential energy of dipole in electric field also. When consider a dipoles, electric dipoles which separated by distance 2L, having the two charges plus Q charges and minus Q charges, plus Q and minus Q charges separated by distance 2L. The separated by distance 2L, that P is equal to Q into 2L. P means electric dipole. Electric dipole. This separated by these two charges plus Q and minus Q charges separated by distance 2L is known as electric dipole when electric dipole placed in uniform electric field. This is one electric dipole having the plus Q charge minus Q charge which is placed in uniform electric field. This one is uniform electric field. When placed in uniform electric field, it experiences the two forces. When it is electric dipole placed in the uniform electric field which experiences the forces, two forces experiences by the forces, these two forces that produce the torque. These equal and opposite forces acting on these two charges to produce torque. These in 11th standard we already have learned. So torque is equal to P cross E because of external electric field. Here P cross E. There is, if there are cross product of two vector, we can write P dot E sin theta. P dot E sin theta. This electric dipole tends to rotate. This electric dipole which is placed in uniform electric field, which it can be tends to rotate when external torque. The external, this is when torque, this electric dipole tends to rotate. If the electric dipole rotates, there is because of external torque is applied action. That external torque in rotor electric to external is applied, which it can rotate. It made an angle theta, and if this electric dipole rotate, it's make an angle theta 0 also. It make an angle theta and theta 0 also, which make an angle theta and theta 0 also. That is from without angular acceleration, and there are small infinitesimal angular speed. There is no without angular acceleration, but there is angular speed is there. When this is rotate, like this rotate, their angle will be changed, theta 0 angle will be. Now there is one types of the work done. If these electric dipoles tend to rotate, there is one types of the work done by the external torque. The work done by external torque. The one types of the work done by external torque. That external torque. The work done by the external torque. W is equal to theta tends to theta 0 tends to theta toe external theta d theta toe external theta, because this torque tends to be that this electric dipole tends to be rotate, that made an external torque apply here. Now substitute the value of here. W is equal to theta 0 theta p sin theta theta d theta. Now theta 0 theta, here common term is p e, the sin theta d theta, the integration of sin theta is minus cos theta. In mathematics we have already learned what is the integration of, in integration chapters and these simple terms all of you know. Integration of theta is minus cos theta. Now this equation becomes WPE here minus cos theta theta 0 theta P, that minus cos 0 theta 0 theta, then PE here minus cos theta, there minus here which one limit we have to substitute first of all, here upper theta and here lower minus in bracket cos theta 0, here PE cos theta 0 minus cos theta, here plus, so here cos theta 0 minus cos theta, W is equal to this equation also we get P is equal to W is equal to P cos theta. This is the one types of the work done toward the potential energy of the system position, and this dipole make an angle theta. This is the one types of the work done, that potential energy of the system, the dipole make an angle theta. Now we have to choose the zero potential. Zero potential means that potential and here is that point will be then infinity distance. So theta 0 is equal to 0. Theta 0 is equal to 0. There is work done, the zero potential energy. That work done is one type of changing potential energy. We can write changing potential energy. We can write here changing potential energy means u theta initial and u theta 0. And therefore is equal to P dot E cos theta 0 minus cos theta. This is the one types of potential energy due to the dipole in electric field. There are two cases. In first case is, there are two cases is here. This equation we obtain here. Now only two cases is remaining here only. See, there are two cases are there. When first case, when if initially dipole is perpendicular to electric field, this dipole when is perpendicular to this electric field, the dipole perpendicular to electric field, theta is equal to theta 0 is equal to pi by 2. So we get u theta is equal to, because u theta 0 is 0, so we obtain equation u theta Pe cos pi by 2 minus cos theta. The P dot E cos pi by 2 is that where the cos pi by 2 minus cos theta we get minus cos theta. If like this, cos pi by 2 minus theta, that cos pi by 2 minus theta we get minus cos theta. P cos theta, this equation we get, that is when electric dipole is perpendicular to the electric field. Electric dipole is perpendicular to the electric field. Second case, when electric dipole is parallel to the electric field. Parallel to electric field, theta 0 is equal to 0. Theta 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, we get u theta is equal to theta 0 is equal to 0. So PE cos 0 minus cos theta, therefore PE 1 minus cos theta. That equation 4. Now here we obtain the when potential energy of dipole in electric field. Today we have discussed that potential energy of single charge system, that is potential energy of single charge system we get there PE is equal to Q1 V1 into R, and potential energy of system of the charges we obtain Q1 V1R plus Q2 V2R plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 R12, and one more that terms we have already discussed. Now we discuss that potential energy of dipole in electric field we get u theta is equal to, in zero potential, PE cos theta 0 minus cos theta, and there are two cases are there when electric dipole is perpendicular to electric field, means theta 0. When perpendicular electric field, if perpendicular theta's value is pi by 2, substitute the theta 0's value in equation, above equation, we get cos pi by 2 minus theta, cos pi by 2 minus theta, we get minus cos theta. Here cos pi by 2 minus theta, we get minus cos theta. So we get equation minus P cos theta. Second case is when electric dipole is parallel to the electric field, we get theta is equal to 0. Substitute the value in above equation, we get u theta potential P cos 0 is 1, so we get this equation. In exam there will be asking 3 marks. Obtain an expression for potential energy of dipole in electric field. Thank you very much.